Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to our morning live trading session. Um, just a second, guys, please. Okay, guys. Good morning, everyone. Um, as usual, welcome to our morning live trading session. So today is Monday. Let's get our accounts ready, and let's do what we do. Let's try to make money. All right, and hopefully this week is going to be a better week and a very great week. All right, and I have my co-host here with me this morning. Guys, I know you all are already familiar with him. I have Biodun here. Biodun, please say hi to our viewers.
Hi everyone. Good morning. It's a beautiful morning here, and guys, I'm here to take all your questions. If you have any question and you have any suggestion on the kind of chat you want Leo to discuss or answer, please kindly drop it in the chat room, and I'll be reading it out for him. And also, it is a new week. If you still want to join our premium signal group, don't hesitate to make a deposit. Don't forget that the deposit is for you, not for anyone. When you make deposit, it's for you to use it to trade. So you are not paying any registration fee. You are not paying any money to Leo. Everything is still within your account. So, and Bella will be sharing some of the posts. You also see deposit with banner at the top of the chat room. Please do well to use that. Don't forget, if you deposit outside the chat room, it will not be counted. Yeah, you will not be able to, we won't be able to add you to the premium signal group. Of course, the money will be added to your account, but you won't join the premium signal group. So if you want to join the premium signal group, make sure you make the deposit within the chat room. Enjoy your class, guys. So and I will be waiting for your questions and suggestions.
All right, guys. So you've all heard from Biodun, all right? Um, if you have any suggestion, let us know, all right? So let's get to today's activity. Let's go on with today's activity. Uh, since we'll be looking for scalping trades, let's go to the lower time frame. All right. Let me just quickly delete all of these junks. Okay. Let's go to 5 minutes. Okay, so this is giving us, okay, so this currently is giving us a very good trade. Okay, so it's giving us a buying vibe. So guys, please go and get your account ready. All right. Let's wait for the close of this candle. Okay. So if it closes this way, then we are going to buy. Yes, we are going to start buying immediately, and our stop loss will be right here on this previous candle. All right. So please go and get your account ready. Right. So just few seconds to the end of this candle. Just few seconds to the end of this candle. So you see the market is already moving to the upside. So we're just going to continue to ride it up. So guys, get your account ready. In few seconds, I'm going to give an instruction. Few seconds more. So you see the candle just keeps sprinting to the upside. So we might likely need to wait for a retracement here, because you see the market has the candle has gone above our entry point. Okay. So I wanted a candle closure before we take an entry. So let's wait for this next candle. Let's go to the right. Okay, guys, let's buy AUDCAD, Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar. AUDCAD, buy right now. AUDCAD, buy right now. So the market is already moving, guys. So if you bought immediately when I said buy, you should be in at least tiny profit by now. So let's just give this a little bit of time. Yes, we are in good profit. We are in good profit. So immediately this gets to this area, we are going to close this trade. So guys, it's a beautiful morning and we are already making profit. So let's just give this a little bit more time to get here. Okay, so that way we have a good profit. Then we look for another entry opportunity.
Hello, you.
Yes, Biodun.
Yeah, Paul Steven is asking
Okay.
us to analyze gold.
All right. Okay. Thank you, Paul Steven. We're gonna do that. But let's just stay here first and take our profit. Okay. So since we are scalping, it will not be wise to leave a scalping trade and then go look for another entry elsewhere. All right. So we don't have a stop loss or a TP here. So we need to stay here to watch our trade. All right. So we are still on this. The market is currently giving us a drawdown. Okay, but this is our stop loss and this is our take profit level. All right. So let's just give this a little bit time. So this is giving us drawdown. Drawdowns are not bad things. All right. So drawdowns don't mean that the market is not going to go your way. The market will always go up. The market will go down. But the most important thing is for the market to hit your profit level. So right now we are not worried about this drawdown as far as the market doesn't come to this area. So if this market closes below this area, then we'll just, close the trade. Let's give this a little more time, all right? Let's just give this a little bit more time. Okay, so this is giving us a good profit. This is giving us a beautiful profit, guys. So when it gets to this area, we close our trade. We close positions. Okay, but if this close above below, okay, like this, then we might have to close this trade. All right, I don't want a sluggish movement. So, but hopefully this comes to this area, closes above this previous candle. So that way we know that, for sure that the market is going to hit our take profit. But right now we are in good profit. All right. So that's beautiful. The market is still heading down. Guys, stay on your trade. Right? Stay on your trade. This is almost at our take profit area. All right, guys, close positions. Close positions. The market hit TP. Close positions, guys. That was a beautiful trade, right? That was a beautiful market movement. So close positions, let's look for another entry opportunity. All right. So guys, go and fund the account. All All right. If you fund your account with at least $200, you get to have a one-on-one session with me. All right. And on that session, I'll teach you how to trade. I can even teach you my scalping strategy. So, if you have other businesses, you don't have to stay too long looking for opportunities. All right. You don't have to stay in the market for too long. Just stay within 30 to 1 hour. You might get an opportunity. Okay. So go and fund your account. Let's look for another entry opportunity here. Let's look for another entry opportunity. Okay. So this is not, inside the zone yet, and I think I'm going to keep an eye out for this, trade later, because I think this is going to give us an intraday opportunity. Okay, an intraday trade opportunity. So I'm going to keep an eye out for this for my premium members. All right. If you want to get this signal, if you want to get this trade, go and fund the account. Fund the account with at least 10, 15, or $200. All right. $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. That's 14 days. $15 will get you into the group for 30 days. That's 1 month. And $200 will get you into the group for 30 days. And you also have, the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me. All right. Go and fund your account. Let me change your life. Let me change, how you trade. If you're already a trader and you don't know how to make profit, come, let me teach you how to make profit. So to get those benefits, all you have to do is just fund your account on this live stream. And guys, remember, the money you are funding is your money. Okay, I'll still add you into the premium group, and we'll still grow the money together. So you grow your money as I'm dropping those signals. So everything is a win-win. You fund, you get into the group, you still make money. Okay. So let's look for another scalping opportunity. Let's go to the lower time frame now. We have this here. Let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so on the 5 minutes, okay, let's go to 3 minutes. I think 3 minutes will be much faster than the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so we'll come back to check this. Once this candle goes below these moving averages, okay, once they go below these averages, then we take a sell entry. All right, but first they have to close below. So let me go back to the higher time frame and look for opportunities elsewhere. I don't think this is going to happen very soon. So maybe after 10 minutes, we can just go back there to check that. All right. All right. Let's stay on the 10 minutes. Okay. Sorry. I remember somebody suggested gold. So let's go and analyze gold. Let's see what is happening on the gold pair. But guys, please remember our rules for gold. Okay. Remember our rules for gold. Whenever I give a signal on the gold pair, please make sure you are using a very small lot size. Okay, a small volume. Okay, if you go to your BTC Dana trading app, you see that place where it says volume. Okay, do not increase it. Leave it at 0.001. Okay, 0.01 rather. All right, that is the minimum. So that way, even though the market go against us, you don't lose too much. Okay, so if you increase it, volume, let me put it this way: volume is just like when you want to buy a pencil. Okay, a pen. Let's say for you want to buy a pen. Okay, and maybe a pen costs 15 naira. Okay, you are buying a single pen for 15 naira. Now, if you are going to be buying 5 pen, you have to spend 250. Yeah, so that's exactly how that is how they work in forex trading. Okay, so the more you increase the volume, the more they are going to take from your account. Right, so the lowest volume is 0.01. If you increase it, it's going to take double. All right, so if you wanted to use maybe risk $2 on that particular trade, if you use 0.02, it's going to take $4. That is double. Okay, so in order for you to be able to manage your account properly, to manage your fund properly, you need to practice risk management. And the only way to practice it is if you are using a very small volume and just a single position. Do not open multiple positions. All right, it's very important. If you are trading gold, please don't open multiple position. Gold is very volatile. Okay, gold is very volatile. Is you know it moves faster than any currency pair. So if you open a currency pair and you are losing, if you are making a lot, if the market is going against you and you are losing, let's say maybe $1 on a pair, gold might have calculated four, five, $6. That is how fast it is. So please always remember to practice risk management. All right. So right now on gold, let me just quickly analyze this and see if we are able to get an opportunity here. But honestly, the reason why I don't add gold to my analysis sometimes is because of the risk management I was talking about. Okay, because I know we have people here that I don't want to say it's greed, but things are not really easy. But even at that, you still need to remember that whatever you are doing, it needs to be step by step. Okay. Um, I hope you remember that adage that says Rome wasn't built in a day. Right. So you have to take everything step by step. If you want to make millions within 24 hours, then also have it in your mind that you could make losses. Right. So if you're not just, thinking about the profit that you could make, if you're also thinking about the losses that you could encounter, that will help you in managing your risk better. Trust me. So right now we are on the gold pair. Let's wait. Let's see if this is going to make a retracement here. Okay, because we have this small gap. Now, if this market comes to this area, we buy from here and target this area. Okay. Because overall the market is on downtrend, but this market is going to move from here. So as I've said, we need to be very careful with gold. Gold is not a pair you just trade anyhow. All right. So let's see if we are going to get a retracement. And another thing with the retracement is we don't want a retracement that has a body close below here. So if this retracement has a body close below this level, then it's not a good retracement. Okay. Let's just wait for this current candle. Let's see how it closes. Let's just wait for that. Let's wait. See how the candle closes. See if we can get our second opportunity there. So just few more seconds. Few seconds more to the end of this current candle. So as I've said, we don't want a candle that has a body below here. So right now we are looking for two, confirmations. So the first confirmation is for the body not to close below these areas, and we are at the same time we want a retracement. So the body closed below. Okay, the body closed below, and we don't want a body that closes below. Okay, because we have a little area here that is pushing the price to the downside. So I think we should leave this for now. Okay. We can check back with this next candle. If it closes above here, then we can look for a buy opportunity. All right. But for now, the candle closed below. All right. So what I wanted to see was a wick to the downside and then the body closing above. Yeah, something like this. Okay. Something like this. But since the body closed below and the wick is at the top, then I think this is going to continue to push to the downside. The next candle is going to give us, another confirmation. So let's just look for another entry, another opportunity. Okay. So these are going to take some times to give us an entry. So it's going to give us some times. It's going to take some times to give us an entry. So let's look for confirmation elsewhere. Okay. Okay. I think we took this trade on our premium group last week. It gave us signal, gave us a take profit around here. Yes. Okay. We took profits before the market started making a move to the downside. So let me just delete all of this. See if we can, scalp it. So guys, just give me a little bit of, time. Let me just quickly do my thing here. If you want to learn how to analyze the market, go and fund your account. All right. You want to learn how to analyze the market, go and fund your account. Come, let me teach you. So once you fund your account, if you fund your account with at least $200, you get to have a one-on-one session with me. Okay. And on that session, I'm going to teach you how to analyze. All right. So we have an area here, that is pushing the market to the downside. So let's see how this is going to close. If this current candle closes this way below, then we might take a sell trade and probably set our stop loss and our take profit. Okay. So just few seconds more to the end of this current candle. All right. Few more seconds. So when once this candle closes and it gives us a proper rejection here, then we take our entry and maybe ride it just a bit to the downside, take profit, and wait for another opportunity. All right. So um, I'd say the rejection is not so good. Okay. I don't like rejections like this. So we have a very small body here, but the next one gave us a body. Okay, and the body went above these areas. So I don't think we should take this trade. Right? You see, the first one gave us a body that was below here. So I wanted to see a body that is, also goes below this area. But since this, decided to go above it, then we need another confirmation before we take a sell trade. All right. Let's just continue. I think we should go back later to check on that. Okay, let's go back to XAUUSD. Wow. You see, look how beautiful the market went to the upside. See how beautiful the market moved to the upside. So my prediction was correct. Okay, my prediction was very, very, very correct. The market came back here and it made a move. So guys, see how easy it is for me to make analysis and predict the market movement. So if you want to have this knowledge, all you have to do is fund the account with at least $200. Okay. So let's come back to this. Let's see. We'll come back to check if this closes below here. So once this closes with a bearish candle, then we take our sell entry. Okay, we take our sell entry. Let's say we can move this here. Yes. So we have 2 minutes more, 2+ minutes to the end of this current candle. So gold would have given us a massive profit. You see, that is one thing with scalping trades. You need to stay on the trade to see how the market is moving. Because immediately you take your eyes off it, that is when the market will start making or will start playing out. So let's just wait for this next candle. Let's check NZD USD. Let me go to the higher time frame. Let me see the direction of the market. All right. Beautiful movement. Beautiful movement. Okay. Okay. So right now on this area, we can either buy or sell, because we have these weeks here. All right. Telling us that the market is going to go down for a little bit. Then we have this candle closing above, okay, which is not a good thing. The candle is also telling us that the market is going to buy. So we have two contradicting setups, okay. This is telling us the market will go down. This is telling us the market will go up. And we also have our moving average crossing below, telling us the market is going to go up. Okay, so I think we should leave this trade. Let's not waste our time here for waiting for confirmations. I think we should look for another setup. Okay. So we took this trade on our premium group last week, on Friday, and the market is still making profit. Okay. But I already told the premium members to close positions. So if you are still on this trade, please secure your profit. Okay. If you were not able to secure profit on Friday, please secure your profit. All right. Secure your profit is very important. So the market is nobody's friend. Okay. So what we do is we follow the market direction. We don't make rules for the market. So right now, this is a very beautiful profit. If you are still on this trade, please take your profit. Close your position or positions. Okay, so let's delete everything here. Let's make a fresh analysis. Okay, 5 minutes. Wow, this is beautiful, guys. We can actually ride this trade for long. Okay, so I think I'm going to give a take profit and a stop loss. All right. So I'm going to give a take profit and a stop loss for this trade. All right. So once this goes above here, then the market is going to take us out and we close with the small loss. So guys, go to GBP, NZD and sell. GBP, NZD, sell now. Sell GBP, NZD. So sell, wait for, I'm going to give out a stop loss and a take profit on this trade. Okay. All right. So guys, let me just quickly type the stop loss and the take profit out. There's our take profit. And this is our stop loss. So set the take profit and set the stop loss. Let's look for another scalping opportunity. All right. So this will be our second trade. Our first trade gave us profit. This is the second one. Set the take profit, set the stop loss. Let's look for another entry opportunity. Okay, we still have few minutes more before the end of our session, our morning session. So I'm giving you guys just a minute more to set this, and let's look for more opportunities. Let's analyze more currencies. Okay. So we are currently having a drawdown, but it doesn't matter. Drawdowns are normal, right? So let's just leave this a bit. We'll come back to check it before the end of our session. But since we have a stop loss and a take profit, let's not get worried over this. Let's just look for another entry. Let's look for opportunity elsewhere. Okay. So I think we took this on the premium group also, and the market I remember I made this analysis. Let me check. Let me quickly check something here. So I figured that we couldn't enter a stop loss. Let's use a new stop loss. All right. It's not accepting our stop loss. Okay, and our take profit. Let's try increasing our take profit. Okay. So we have a new stop loss. We have a new take profit. Okay. We have a new stop loss. We have a new take profit. So guys, impute this and let's move on. Let's move on with our analysis. So as usual, I'm just gonna give a minute. So guys, I'm still here with you. We are still looking at the trade together, all right? So if this candle closes above this area, we are going to go out of the market. Okay. So good thing we are still here. We are still looking at this. The rejection should start to should happen from here. So if the rejection, if the pullback continues and go above here, then we close the trade. But hopefully it doesn't go. Then we just leave the trade to run to get to our take profit. Okay, so let's just give this a little bit of time. All right. Uh, so let's not worry since the market is still within our zone. Okay, but if it closes above this area with a body, so if this next candle closes above, okay, with a body, then we close the trade and wait for another entry opportunity. Okay, so that means this setup was invalid. All right. But what this market showed here, yeah, it's a very good sign of rejection. Okay, but if it closes below, as I've said, if it closes above, then we close the trade. Um, our first entry gave us a profit, and hopefully this gives profit also. All right. So just 3 more minutes to the end of this candle. I think we should stay on this, okay, because I don't want us to lose much. If this goes closes above here, then we close the trade. All right. So 2 minutes more. So this whole area is, currently um, a zone. All right. This area is a zone where the market is expected to push down. Okay. It's a supply zone. But if the market doesn't respect that and continue to go up, closes above this area, then we don't have any choice than to close and look for another opportunity. If we still have the time. All right. So just a minute to the end of this current candle. So hopefully we get a good rejection to the downside. Then we just leave the trade to keep running. Okay. So we are currently getting a rejection. Few seconds more to the end of this candle. So even if we have a very tiny bit of close above with a body, we are going to close this position. Okay. Because this is supposed to be a scalping trade, but I just figured we should have our stop loss and take profit. So if it goes above, then the market is might likely go above our take profit unless we are going to shift the take profit to the upside, and we don't want that. Yeah. Okay. So this closed. Let me check on the lower time frame, not above. Okay. So that didn't close above, guys. All right. Um, let's check on the 1 minute candle. Okay. So if this 1 minute candle closes above, then we close the trade. All right. Okay, guys. Please let's close this position. Okay. Let's close the position. I don't want us to increase our stop loss, because if we have, to hold this trade, then we might need to increase the stop loss so that the market doesn't take us out before it starts to reverse to the downside. Okay. So let's just close this trade and hopefully on our afternoon session, we get a better entry. All right. So let's just close that. So we got a win, and the second trade, um, you know, give us a loss. So it was a tie. Okay. But hopefully on our afternoon session, we are able to get a good entry. All right. So guys, we've come to the end of our morning session. Guys, please remember we have our Telegram question and answer coming up by 11:30. Okay. So join us there. Let's put heads together. All right. So if you have any suggestion, if you have any inquiry, join us, ask us. You get to talk to us one on one. All right. So guys, I'll see you by then. Biodun, do you have anything you want to say to them before we go offline?
Uh, Nothing much. Just to encourage you guys, if you have any questions specifically that you would like to speak about, you can join us by 11:30. Bella and Leo will be there to answer all your questions. Then don't forget, you can come on this live stream to make your deposit anytime, whether the live stream is on or not. And remember, if you have any question, always contact Bella on our WhatsApp line, or you drop it on the Telegram channel, and somebody will immediately answer your questions. Enjoy your day, guys.
All right, guys. So let's meet again on the Telegram question and answer session. All right. So guys, bye for now. All right, Biodun. Bye for
Yeah.
now.